Want to create those cute viral animal videos for free? Alright, I'll skip the usual boring intro and get straight to the point. For image generation, I use Piclumen, which is free and unlimited. For now, as of 2025. We all know what free actually means on YouTube. It's the most overused and misleading word. Some YouTubers claim things are free just to attract viewers. But Piclumen does generate Flux images for free. Yes, truly free, meaning you don't have to pay for commercial use. Let's create a cute cat playing the guitar. Click Generate, and we get 2 batches of images. Click the Download button. Now, to make it move or convert it into a video, we use Halo A, an online service for image to video conversion. I don't usually use this service, but for today's quick tutorial we will. Load the image you want to animate. Keep in mind that it adds a watermark and allows only 3 video generations per day. There's often a long queue, but our video is finally done. Click Download, and now let's move on to creating music with Suno. Suno isn't free. It doesn't offer a commercial license, so you'll have to pay if you want to use it for monetized content. You get 10 free music creation credits daily. Let's create dance music for kids.
Sun is shining, let's go play. Spin around, jump so high, touch the clouds. Laugh and shout, feel so free. Dance all day, just you and me.
We'll select the Dance with Max song, click the 3 dots, and download the MP3. Now, let's open DaVinci Resolve, my favorite video editor. Drag in the music and video footage. Infinite loop video tricked to create an infinite loop effect, drag out the first clip. On the second clip, right-click and select Change Clip Speed. Check Reverse Speed. Now the 2 clips loop infinitely. You can copy and extend them as much as you want. The reversed clip makes the transition seamless. Let's observe closely.
Turn in circles, twirl and sway. Move your hips every way.
See? No noticeable cuts, just a smooth loop. However, for this video, we don't want a loop. Instead, we'll arrange different cat clips to create a proper sequence. Once you're happy with the edits, trim the audio to match the video length. Then go to the Deliver tab, click the YouTube icon, add the render to the queue, and press Render All. And just like that, you have a short viral reel made entirely with free tools